Hi, I'm Melissa Fedora with Southland TV. I'm here today with David Holzinger and his wife Grace. David is an Orland Park police officer. Can you tell me how many years you've been with Orland Park?
Orland Park, 21 years.
Okay. David is here, and Grace, too, will be going up on the roof here in a little bit to raise money for the torch run. Can you tell me, this is your first time participating in this, correct?
Yes, it is. It's the first time I've had my day off that I could come out and participate in this, yes.
Wonderful. So you volunteered to go up on top, and I guess the most important question here would be, are you afraid of heights?
Terribly.
Well, how about you?
Yes.
Okay, so they're going to be wonderful going up there. Maybe we'll hear some screaming. David, what motivates you to want to do this today and help the Special Olympics?
Well, for Special Olympics, it's all about the kids, the smiles on their faces, them being able to come out and have fun, have a good time, participate in some life experiences.
Absolutely.
So it's really all about the smiles on their faces.
Good. And what motivates you to want to climb this roof today?
Just support Special Olympics and Orland Park Police Department.
Wonderful, thank you. Well, I understand that you're hoping for a day off so you can actually attend the Special Olympics this summer, so we're hoping you can be there.
Hey, fingers crossed. Hopefully it'll work out.
Well, thank you so much for being here with us today.
Thanks.